Well, good morning my friends, welcome back to another video. Okay, so today we've got the Blackpool Tower behind me. So the reason I'm in Blackpool is I'm ticking something off my bucket list, which has been on there for about 3 years now, and we're going to have a visit to Tramtown. Now Tramtown is where they keep all the old heritage trams, so yeah, really looking forward to this. So yeah, welcome to this video, having a look round Tramtown. See you in a minute, guys. Okay my friends, so welcome along to Tramtown. Wow, it's amazing in here. Now the main tram shed there, if you like, the roof has been condemned, so you can't actually go into that building at the moment. They're trying to raise funds to have the roof replaced. Okay, so all that's ongoing, but we can take some footage from outside there, which I will do. But we're currently on the Charlie Caroli tram. Now those of you that know Blackpool know Charlie Caroli obviously was the famous clown in the Blackpool Tower circus back in the sort of 50s, 60s, early 70s. So I remember him, but yeah, let's have a quick look around the Charlie Caroli tram. Okay, so as you can see, as well as all the heritage trams which are kept here at Tramtown, the original Blackpool Illuminations were also manufactured and kept here during off season. So these are the probably 100 years old, I'm guessing, but these are amazing as well. Okay, so that tram behind me there's the Bolton car. That was originally made in 1901, so it's 124 years old and obviously still going. These new trams won't be still going in 124 years time, will they? Well, I have to say, my friends, I'm a little bit underwhelmed at the moment with the main shed being closed due to the roof issue there. There's not a lot to see in this this little workshop place, and yeah, it would have been nice to see the Heritage Trams in full and to walk around them and everything, but until that roof is replaced, the whole building is condemned. It's unsafe for the public to be in. But in the meantime, we're just going to have to make do with the little workshop tour.